While the color of bubble hash can be indicative of a variety of factors, including indoor versus outdoor material, cured versus fresh frozen material, and freshly made versus aged bubble hash, meltability is not one of them. Without doing the fire test, you never know what you're dealing with. I recently dabbed 90 micron bubble hash and it was half melt at best. Its color was a mild beige that would have tricked the eyes of the unexperienced, but it did not perform. Micron isolation does not ensure meltability either. You will learn all of this information and more at my upcoming class in Oakland, California on February 23rd. Come to this hands-on training to elevate your knowledge and understanding of hash making. Not only should we grow our own, but we can make our own because we deserve to give ourselves the best.